Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by drawing a 16:9 rectangle to set the page composition and mark a horizontal baseline 1/4 from the bottom for wheel placement. Draw the center line 1/4 from the top edge to align the cabin. Place 2 wheel circles with 3.5 inches diameter on the baseline and set the wheelbase length about 2/3 of the rectangle width. Lightly sketch a low hood line at 1/3 of the car height and reserve a compact cabin at 1/4 height for the Ferrari F8 profile. Block in the roof as a curved trapezoid and slope the roofline toward the rear by roughly 15 degrees to capture the Ferrari F8 silhouette. Connect the hood to the cabin with a gentle curve and define the rear haunches with strong arches. Draw the side intake as an elongated teardrop starting just behind the front wheel and sweeping to the rear quarter. Add a twin headlight cluster at the front and a low front splitter positioned 1/2 inch below the hull line to ground the car. Refine the body panels by drawing the hood seam, door cut, and engine cover gap with thin, steady strokes that follow the curvature. Define the rear haunch with contour lines and shade it using cross-hatching at about 25% intensity to suggest form. Add reflections along the doors and roof with small white highlights to indicate glossy paint. Finalize the wheels by sketching 5 spokes and a center cap. Then darken the tire rubber value versus the rim to separate materials.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.